So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Dollarama stock on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass icon. At the top here, type in ticker symbol DOL. Now where it says Dollarama Inc., it is a Canadian traded stock. Press on that one right there. Now once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're on the buy page, you can adjust the session type you're wanting to buy the stock in, as well as the order type. There's limit, market, stop limit, etc. There's the price, there's the quantity. So if you wanted to purchase, 10 shares, the price of that would be below. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, press on buy, and go through the process that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Dollarama stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.